everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today, I'm super excited. I have the IPSY Glam Bag Plus to unbag for you guys. If you guys want to know what's in my bag, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so before I do my unbagging, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. Hi, welcome, my name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related. I do lots of unboxings on this channel, mostly makeup subscription boxes because I just love makeup and it's like Christmas every day when I open up, you know, a lovely package. So I do lots of that on here. I do makeup hauls, advent calendars, mystery boxes, you name it, I do it here. Anything makeup related. So if you guys love makeup like me, then I would say subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. I was very busy during the holiday season. It's actually still busy because they, believe it or not, they say like after the holiday season, people like returning and using gift cards and stuff like that. So I'm still actually busy, but it's definitely going to slow down a lot so I can start pumping out more videos again. But just wanted to make sure I was like focused on work and getting stuff done. So I did have a wonderful Christmas. It was a quiet one. I hope everyone had a good holiday as well. Let me stop blabbering and get on with this unbagging. This is $25. You get to choose 3 items from this, which I love. It's still December, so I'm still going to show you my holiday shirt for December, even though Christmas is gone. This is my holiday, like how cute is this, guys? It's like a Christmas tree. I'm a live Christmas tree. This is my holiday shirt. In my other videos, I told you guys I am going to be wearing a holiday shirt for the whole month of December, and it's still December, so I'm still wearing my holiday shirts. Still got a couple more days to go. Alrighty, so as always, I do 2 boxes a day just to bang out my unboxes. So I'm going to do the IPSY Glam Bag Plus today, and then afterwards, ooh, almost fell. Afterwards, I'm going to do my Birchbox. So, I don't know if you guys can see that with my lights. So, there we go, Birchbox. I'll do my Birchbox afterwards. But I'm super excited to see what's in here. I did do my unbagging for the regular glam bag, and I did do it for the ultimate. I loved the ultimate for, like, once. If you guys want to see the videos that I did for my ultimate and from my glam bag, I'll put them down below so you can see what I got for the month of December. Alrighty guys, let's dig in. Alrighty, so as always, I never really am a fan of the bags. I feel like this is like a wannabe knockoff corduroy. And it's like a cheapy material. I'm not here for it. I do like that you could fit a lot of makeup in here, but, like, still not here for it. Goes with the whole holiday look, though. Like, this is like your little Santa sack. You ready to go? Alright, that was a bad joke. But anyway, nevertheless, let's see if we have a card with everything that's in here. The card does not tell you what is in here. Sometimes they do tell you, but this time they do not. Alright, so let's see here. First thing I got is a Tula Skincare Go Away Acne Spot Treatment. So now I own, this is going to be my 3rd thing I own from Tula. I got 2 cleansers from, one from IPSY, I want to say, and one from BoxyCharm. And now I have something else from IPSY from Tula. I liked it. The products that I got from Tula so far, I love. Okay, so I got an acne spot treatment, which is kind of cool. We could all use that, especially with us wearing masks. So very excited for that. IPSY did not give us prices or anything to tell us about the things in our box. The other two that I got, they did tell us what was in there. I don't remember what was my 3 choices. All I do know is everything that was in there, I wasn't excited about anything. It was just, if you don't not order, but if you don't pick your items like right when they tell you could pick your items, you get stuck with the leftovers. And pretty much I forgot that it was a day of choice. And I get stuck picking things that I was like, ah. But I do like Tula, and I want to try a lot of stuff from their brand. So believe it or not, I am happy to get this. I normally, when I get skincare, you guys know I'm just like, I'm giving this away. Oh, this is skincare, I'm giving this away. But I'm actually going to keep this for once. The next thing I got is a Overtime Contour Blush Duo by Complex Culture. Okay, this is going to be too light for me. The contour and the blush is too light for me. So I definitely have to give this away. So, not still too thrilled about this, but this box, or not, actually not a box, it's a bag. But yeah, I can't use that. I think that was one of the choices I chose. And I was just stuck picking whatever, because at some point, like, I was like, I gotta pick something. I got an Ico Rock Out and Lash Out mascara. That's what it looks like. I got a Wonder Beauty Skyliner eyeliner in jet black. It's a black pencil, which you guys know what black pencils look like. And then we got an Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow from Ciate, London. I actually do like Ciate. Ooh, this is beautiful. Wow. I can't wait to try this. So, that was everything. I'm excited for this. I'm excited for the acne spot treatment. I guess I could always use a black light and a mascara. So, I mean, I do like 4 things out of here. Am I like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited, I can't wait to use it? Probably not, but this actually I am excited to use. This I can't use, so I'm putting this in my box that I'm storing already for my next future giveaway. So this will be given away because it's too light for me, but hopefully one of my lucky subscribers, it will match them perfectly. So, that is it for my Glam Bag Plus. What did you guys think about this, this bag? Did you guys get it? What did you guys get in there? Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys for being patient with me during this crazy holiday season, and me being, like, busy with the work, and I'm excited for all the cool things that I'm going to show you guys soon coming up on my channel. So stay tuned for some cool boxes that I'm going to be unboxing for you guys. Yeah, and like I said, I'm going to be unboxing this next. So if you guys want to know what I got in my Birchbox for the month of December, then watch the next video. See you guys soon.